Good morning, children. Children, welcome to video class, children. In previous class, I have started in this unit 2 lesson of children. What is the lesson name? Regional and Roman numerals, children. In page, we can, those who are having textbook, open German textbook, children. Page number 99. In previous class, I have told you some alphabets, my children. These are alphabets. We can see in alphabets, children. They have the Romans have taken these and these are called, the Romans have invented these, so these are called Roman numerals. Roman numerals, I have told you, my children, these values also I have told you. Once I will remind you, see children, this is I means 1. This is V means the value. These are Indo-Arabic numerals. So these are Roman numerals and this is the value of Indo-Arabic numerals, children. Equivalent to this value. This one X 10, L 50, C 100, B 500 and M 1000. Once I remind you, children, with the help of these now we are going to do the sums, children. See children, I 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. See children, in page 99, we can see an exercise. Now I am going to show you how to do this exercise. Those who are having maths notes, open and do along with me, children. See children, first one children, see what they have given: X, C and B and 1. See children, this one we should show them in Hindu-Arabic numeral. We should show them in, they have given Roman numeral and we should change this one into Hindu-Arabic numeral. Equivalent to Hindu-Arabic numeral, this we should show the value of it or product of it. See children, what is this X? What is the value of X in Hindu-Arabic numeral? 10. Children, by the help of these values, we should do these sums, children. See, what they have given: XC, V, 1. See children, I. So, we should expand like this, children. What they have given Roman numeral, we should expand like this. See children, XC plus V plus I plus I. See children, what is this XC? C means 100. This C, if the X is in right side, we should add the value to the C. But whereas here in C, X is in the left side of the C. So what we should do, from 100 we should minus from 100. See children, X value is 100 and the C value is 100 and X is placed in the left side of the C. So we should minus from 10. We should minus 10 from 100. So the value is 90 because X is left side of C and C's value is 100. C value is 100. See children. Then what is the value of V? 5 and I 1 plus 1. What is this, children? What is the value? 90 plus 5, 95, 95 plus 1, 96 and added 1, 97. This is given, these are sums given in 99 page, children. Another one I will do for you, children. See, second one. What they have given? L, X, X, V. See children, L, X, X, V. See, what is the value of L? 50. What is the value? See children, first one, we should write this statement. L plus X plus V. Then you write the values. L. What is the L value? 50 and X value 10 plus again X value 10 plus V 5. What is the answer, children? 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 5, 75. This is given in second one, children. I think you can do the Arabic numeral and Roman numeral. 100 C, 200 CC, 300 3 C's because 300s are there in 300 no children, so 3 C's. And another one 400 CD means I'll tell you children. See children, 100 C, 200 in 200 200s are there also C, 300 3 C's. In 400 and 500 a little change because 500 means D. So what we should do here in 400, first we should write D. What is the 100 value? C. We should write here children. Left side means 501, 500 minus 100, 400. See children, D value. If we write D after D after C, then it is 600. Before we place C, it is 400 children. Like this, a little change is there from 500. See children, 600 DC, 600 DC. Then 700 DCC, 800 DCCC. Because D is 500 and 3 C's, 100, 100, 800. Then 900. Again, a little change is there, children, here. Children, a little change is there. Because how we are telling D 500, D Roman numeral, 500 in Arabic, in the Arabic numeral, like this. M it is 1000. M it is 1000 children. If we write M value 1000, then for 900, what is the value? M. See children, M C. Because if after M we place C, it is 1100. If we place before M C, it is 900. Like this children. How we wrote here? This is 500. Before we place C, so it is 400 like this. Before M, if we write C, this is 900 children. See children, this tabular column you write in your notes, maths notes, and practice them. Because with the help of these values into Arabic and Roman numeral, we can do, with the help of these tabular columns only, we can do exercises. See children. Now, children, underneath these hundreds and this tabular column, another column is there children, another one is there. See children, table representation. What is this one? The Roman numerals counting in thousands. Before I told you hundreds, no children, now thousands. Thousands. See, one column is Hindu Arabic numerals and another one is Roman numerals. And means this side they have given Hindu Arabic numerals and same value in Roman numerals. Means we should once try to understand them. Those are having textbook. Open this textbook and see once children. 99 page. This column, these two columns they have given. See here, what is this in Hindu Arabic numeral? This is 1000. 1000. Here, what we should? This is equivalent to M. This is equivalent to M. Here, children, 2000 means here 1000 plus 1000, 2000. M. Here 3000. M. Here 4000. See children, 4000. If in Hindu Arabic, in Roman numeral, 4 is equivalent to, like this children, means this is 5 and 1 is placed before left side of 5, so it is. Now in 4000, what happens? A sleeping line we should write children, a sleeping line, 4000. In Roman numerals, a sleeping line is 1000. See, sleeping line equivalent to 1000. If you have in any symbol, we have this sleeping line, it is equivalent to 1000. So in 4000, it is 4000. 4. This is Roman numeral 4 and it is 4000. So see children, you can see this one. You can see this one. See children, next one 5000. This one Roman numeral 5 and this is sleeping line. So 5000. Here 6000. understand, you try to understand children. This is 7,000 and this one is Roman numeral 7 and this one indication of 1,000. This one indication of 1,000 children. A sleeping line. Just like this children. A sleeping line. 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. This sleeping line we are writing on top of this Roman numeral. See children, this 9,000. This one you can understand children, Roman numeral 10 and 1 we placed in left side, so it is called 9. See children, like this. This one Roman numeral 10 and this one I placed in left side, so again one sleeping line, so it is 9,000 and this one 10,000. This one X Roman numeral 10 and one sleeping line 10,000. This one children 50. L means 50 children. Then Roman numeral 50. See children, this one sleeping line. So 50,000 means, just to understand children, this sleeping line is 1,000. This sleeping line 1,000. Wherever we write, it is 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 like this children. So to copy this children from page number 99 to page number 100, all the values are given. In one column Indo-Arabic numerals and Roman numerals are there. Try to understand them by the help of the textbook and by the help of this video children. Another exercise is there underneath in page number 100. This, see children, I will show you how to do. See children, with the help of this column, we will try to do this exercise children in page number 100. Copy in your notes children, copy in your notes. See children, what they have given in A, D, C, X, V. See children, what we should do, D plus C plus X plus V. What is the value of D children? What is the value of D? 500. What is the value of C? 100. What is the value of X? 10. Another value of X? 10 and V value 5. See children, 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 10, 610, 610 plus 10, 620 and 5, 625. Like this we should expand them, the Roman numeral. Then second one, see children, the second one, M, D, C, L, X, V. This one also, what we should do, M plus D plus C plus L plus X plus V. What is the value of M? 1000 plus D 500 plus C 100 plus L 50 plus 10 plus 5. 1000 plus 500, 1500 and 100, 1600, 1650, 1650 plus this 10 plus 5. What is the value children? 1665. See children, like this we should expand them. We should expand the Roman numeral and we should change them into Indo-Arabic numeral children. See children, I have done A and B with C and D sums you do, and see children, with the help of this video you copy all the exercises and these columns also in your notes. Thank you children.